everybody, Mark Couts here. As you know, I like playing with Wi-Fi stuff, and so Juniper was very kind, and they sent me a Juniper AP47. I've been installing these at some school districts and different places recently, and they're great APs, and so I wanted to kind of show off what the AP47 looks like. So I've got it right here. I just got it yesterday, haven't opened it yet, so here we go. Let's open this and see what's going on. I did cut the paper, I didn't open it. So as expected, typical Juniper AP box. A little bigger than your AP40, your other ones. I've got one right here. AP43, or no, AP45. I've got a 33 right there too. A little bit smaller, but great AP. 6 gigahertz capable, Wi-Fi 7, full Wi-Fi 7 capable AP from Juniper Networks. Now an HPE company. We'll see how that continues and goes, but excited to be testing out their product here. In the box, standard Juniper stuff. They got the mount that works with Juniper APs. They also work. This also works with your Cisco and different models. Mounts, so they work great. If you have a Wi-Fi stand or something, it's a little big to fit on the Wi-Fi stand. It fits barely. Kind of a little bit of hard to get the. I guess you gotta be smarter than your average AP Wi-Fi stand here, but it definitely does need to be configured properly. Standard PoE plus needs PoE plus to power the entire AP. It's got 2 ports, so you can do 2 flag ports. Have 2 ports running it, one as a backup or for double speed. They both do 2.5 gigahertz ports, a multi-gig USB port for IoT devices and sensors, and then a reset button, then your claim code. Just as with all the Juniper Mist APs, super easy to join them to an app and get them configured. So I'm going to fire this bad boy up and start playing with it and do some testing, but I think it's a great AP and excited to have it. I'm great. Thanks to Juniper for giving me the AP. Okay, I got the AP all mounted on the Wi-Fi stand bracket. I got a cable here ready to be plugged in. First things first, you need the Mist AI app. You just set up your device, you set up your floor plan, and then you open the app, and then it's got a QR code on the back here that you scan to claim to your org. Device has been claimed successfully. Now I gotta, now it's not showing, but let's go unassigned. Nope, it's not showing, but now we can plug in the cables. I've got 2, I've actually got 2 cables, so we're going to test out the dual ports here. Not something you need to do regularly, but you can do that. You can set them up as a lag and have them connect. And so that is as easy as it goes. There it is. Now it's showing. Now I need to assign this AP. I go on Mist's website and assign the AP. And it is currently flashing while it boots up. It's going green and yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow. Working on booting up here. So that's what you do. So.